Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at an Apple Watch Series 4. Nike edition is in the building. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the Apple Watch Series 4. Nike edition. As you guys can see, I'm pretty excited for this one. I haven't had an Apple Watch since the original Apple Watch, and I got rid of that probably like a year or two ago, and I'm gonna stay with my Pebble because the battery life has been insane on this still, because it's actually running Rebel. Shout out to Miguel for that one. But the Apple Watch Nike edition LTE version. So in the back we do have some information that's right over here. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. I do have the 44mm version, and it does actually tell you what's inside the box. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. So I actually picked this up from Best Buy. I just got it today, so the plastic is already cut. It just comes out. So alright, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. So we got the black and white packaging, which is pretty dope, pretty clean. Alright, so how you open this, you just pop the flaps. You got two of them on each side, and you just take it out slowly. Now the packaging is a lot different than how it used to be back in the day. Back in the day it was just a white packaging, but here you do have a cool little design. So here's what you get inside the box. You do have your band that actually comes in a separate packaging. You do have the Nike Sport Band right over here. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. 44mm, and on the bottom it does show exactly what it looks like. But here's the watch itself. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Pretty cool, beautiful presentation, and I chose this one because it looks cool, and I've been back in the gym again, and I just want to do like a lot of cool different watch faces that you only get on the Nike edition of the Apple Watch. So I definitely want to check this out. So on the inside you do have a little manual guide here of how to install it and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Just check out that notch just right there. So on the inside you do have your charger. That's the base that you have to place this on if you want to charge it, and you do have the same charger that you actually get with your iPhone. So it comes in this little suede little packaging there, and it does have the 44mm logo right there, which is pretty cool, nice and suede. And I do have the LTE version that does have that red ring around. I know the Series 3 had the red dot on there, but if you guys have the GPS version, it will not have any type of red anything. So I did actually get the silver aluminum one because it does come in space gray, and it does have the aluminum one, but I think the aluminum one looks pretty clean, and it does actually match the band pretty good. So this is definitely cool. So on the back you have some type of ceramic, and you do have the logo there for the Series 4 Nike edition, which is pretty cool. Definitely loving the look of this. It says ceramic case, Ion X glass, GPS LTE, which is pretty cool. So let's just paste that to the side, and let's exactly see what the band looks like, because I do have a lot of old bands that I have from my 42mm watch, so I probably will be using these. But I mean I figured that if I get any watch for, I'm saying, for $530, I might as well be this one, because it comes with more options as far as faces and whatnot. So here's what this looks like, and here's the band itself. So let's just pop this baby out and see what it looks like. Alright, so it's a pretty simple installation. Just have to pop this right on top. I did have some issues before. Pop this one on the bottom, and let me take off my Pebble real quick. Shout out to Miguel, Pebble gang. I'm not sure if he still has this or not, but alright guys, so the watch is now installed on the wrist. Now it's a little bit different than what I'm actually used to. So it's a basic setup here. You just have to pop that in, and you just have to put the rest inside the little slit there, and voila, there you go. So let's just power this baby on and see what it looks like. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have been using this. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I am pretty impressed with the size of the screen. totally different from the first time I had an Apple Watch. They made some major improvements. I did try the walkie-talkie feature. The speaker sounds super clear. I was definitely digging that, but I do have a lot to learn. I'm digging the Nike watch faces, which is pretty dope as well. So I will actually let you guys know in about a week or so how do I like the watch and will I be keeping it. I'm definitely impressed with it. I just want to see if I actually want to keep the LTE version or should I just get the GPS version, but I'll definitely let you guys know. So if you guys want to buy this watch, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Apple Watch products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Shoot, that was dope though.